Sales funnels don't fail, they misfire. Fix these 5 conversion killers. You've got the ads, the forms, the emails, maybe even AI automation. And yet, leads stall, conversions flatline, and revenue refuses to move. The problem? It's not your funnel. It's misaligned with how buyers actually decide. Why your funnel feels stuck today, we'll uncover the hidden reasons why lead generation systems fail, even when they look perfect. And more importantly, what you can do to reset for real traction. Insight 1. More leads, more sales. Chasing more leads without redefining quality is how businesses quietly bleed out. You might generate thousands of leads, but if only 27% are actually sales ready, you're spending time and money nurturing the wrong people. Insight 2. The vanity metric trap: clicks, downloads, and impressions feel good because they give you the illusion of momentum. But motion isn't growth. The real question isn't how many leads you capture, it's how many convert. Insight 3. Automation overload. When automation scales the wrong signals, it doesn't accelerate sales, it amplifies friction. Gartner found that 56% of customers believe companies overuse automation in ways that reduce personalization. That's when leads ghost, not because they're not interested, but because they feel commoditized. Insight 4. The mid-funnel black hole. Most businesses don't lose leads at the top or bottom, they lose them in the middle. Salesforce reports that 79% of marketing leads never convert due to poor nurturing. If your mid-funnel journey is flat or fragmented, momentum dies in silence. Insight 5. AI. Misused, not overused. The biggest mistake isn't using too much AI, it's using it for the wrong job. Instead of flooding your funnel with more noise, AI should filter signal from noise, helping you recognize intent faster and qualify better.